in 2024. But
Yes,
the work
ma'am.
had started in 2023. So what we are trying to do here is to support our members when they are sick, especially when they are hospitalized, when they are having other issues that affect their social life, but also affect their work. We are trying to improve the general welfare of their members by having different activities that support that effort. We took over the work of the General Society in terms of providing benevolence to the families of our colleagues who pass away. And we are hoping that, God willing, to have built the fund up to the point where we can support their children in school, just like our Kenyan colleagues are doing, and other associations in other jurisdictions in Africa are doing. So far, we've heard about Rwanda has one, Tanzania has one, Southern Sudan not yet, but we have heard about Zambia, Cote d'Ivoire, and other countries where we are going to reach back and find out what are they doing, what else can they do. So we encourage all members, all lawyers, to pay their subscriptions and to support the fund in whatever way they can. Those who can pay more than the current 75,000 that they are paying, we welcome them. We shall put that money to good use, we shall invest it, and we shall support our members to make sure that we have a healthy lawyer sitting in a healthy mind and a healthy body so they can serve